you're all by yourself, you're not.
The Outlaw Wars is the title of tonight's movie, Desperado.
Dio McCall stem in om 'n moordenaar en sy bende agterna te sit, maar die prys is hoog en sy lewe is in gevaar.
Sunday's feature film, To Sir with Love, is the touching story of an idealistic Sidney Poitier teaching a group of rambunctious white high school students from the slums of London's East End. This classic movie reflects some of the problems and fears of teens in the 60s.
About multiplying. There are a few valuable tricks to know. Say that you offered roast beef at 7 shillings per pound. Potter, must you do that?
Oh, I can't help it, sir. It's me desk.
Ah, poor old Pop.
Tell me you'll have it.
Hey, shut up. Shut up.
If you must play these filthy games, do them in your home. Not in my classroom. Those are out.
For rugby fans, TV234 will be crossing tomorrow morning at 5 to 7 to Sydney in Australia for the test match between Australia and England.